Good morning, students. Welcome back to online class सुविद्या। अच्छा पिला माने कहला देखी what is the most important problem of modern world? Do you know? We all know the modern world is called a global village. We are getting a number of benefits, number of advantages, but at the same time we are also facing a lot of problems, lot of difficulties. The most important, the most dangerous word is the population growth. This is the threatening problem. This is the serious problem now all over the world, because the population growth, the population explosion is at the root of all other problems. Do you know the growing population needs a lot of food, clothing, shelter, their education. So for their maintenance we need a lot of things. For their use also we need a number of automobiles, and for the things or products of their use we have to set up a large number of industries. That means the industrialization, the urbanization, the number of increase in automobiles, all these things lead to serious problems every day. So that population growth also leads to pollution. Have you heard the word pollution? Yes, it is a debatable topic. Pollution. The pollution may be water pollution, soil pollution, noise pollution, air pollution. So the pollution is a vast word. Its scope is very wide, and the pollution is caused by us. That is not a natural phenomenon. We, the human being, are responsible for pollution. It may be water pollution or air pollution or noise pollution or soil pollution. So every moment we are facing a lot of difficulties. When you go outside, have you ever marked when you come back home you are having a running nose, your eyes irritate, your throat also is irritated? What may be its cause? The smoke, the pollutants which you are facing outside. When you stop in a traffic, have you marked the smoke coming out of the vehicles? All the vehicles, it may be two-wheeler or four-wheeler or three-wheeler, they exhaust carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, the poisonous gases. That also pollute the atmosphere. So a number of factors which cause pollution, and ultimately they put us in difficulties, put us in trouble. We face a lot of difficulties, even if the death and serious diseases due to those pollution. So today we will read about a topic, an essay, air pollution. Air pollution, a hidden menace. air pollution, a hidden menace, so out of different pollutions, water pollution, air pollution, soil pollution, noise pollution, today we will know about air pollution. Air pollution, a hidden menace, a hidden means which is not seen. Hide, hid, hidden. हाइड माने लुचिबा, हाइड एंड सीक तुम्हें माने खेलानी, हाइड, हिड, हिडन. So this third form of the verb is used as adjective. Here hidden is used as adjective. Hidden, unseen, which we cannot see but we face with its impact, with its result. Menace, a threat. So a danger. Air pollution is a great threat or is a great danger for the whole mankind, for the present generation and for future generation. So today we will know something about this topic, this debatable topic. So look at your books and we will read the first paragraph. No one can forget one of the most tragic industrial accidents that occurred at Bhopal on 3rd December 1984. Deadly gas from a chemical plant operated by Union Carbide escaped into the atmosphere, killing over 4,000 local residents and rendering blind and crippling a large section of the city's surviving population. Not only Bhopal, but now every city, every town, every corner of the earth is facing such a crucial problem. Every day, every moment, we breathe polluted air and may become a victim of air pollution. So there is some new words you can see. Rendering. Render means here cause, causing. Crippling, damaging. Surviving, living, surviving population, living population. Victim, prey or sufferer. Every moment we are becoming a prey of air pollution. So these are some new words you can come across. Now no one can forget one of the most tragic, sorrowful industrial accident you know, which occurs accidentally. एंड एक्सीडेंट कहले तुम्हें मैंने साधारणतः बुझी था रास्ता उपर जो एक्सीडेंट हुए गाड़ी मोटर ना ना एक्सीडेंट कहले आमर जदि इलेक्ट्रिक शॉर्ट सर्किट कौटी होउची सेटा इलेक्ट्रिकल एक्सीडेंट कहबा एठी आमर दिया है इंडस्ट्रियल एक्सीडेंट इफ एनी अनफोर्सिन सिचुएशन ऑकर्स इन एन इंडस्ट्री और इन ए माइन देन दैट इज कॉल्ड इंडस्ट्रियल एक्सीडेंट. सो दिस accident In 1984, 3rd December, accident took place in Bhopal, in the state of Madhya Pradesh. The most tragic industrial accident till now, वर्तमान सुधा जिते भयंकर दुखद एक्सीडेंट होइछि इंडस्ट्रियल एक्सीडेंट ता भितर एटा होछि सबुठु भयंकर एक्सीडेंट भोपाल रे घटितला केबे 1984 डिसेंबर 3rd रे केमिति घटिला डेडली गैस मीन्स ए पॉइजनस गैस ए पॉइजनस गैस फ्रॉम ए केमिकल प्लांट जानिଛ केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर्स कौच रासायनिक सार तेणु रासायनिक प्लांट operated by Union Carbide, that plant was being operated by Union Carbide, escaped into the atmosphere. So deadly gas from that plant, from that industry escaped into the atmosphere. Atmosphere को खसी गला ता माने लीकेज हो गला कौनसी असुविधा वशत भूल वशत लीकेज हो गला से डेडली गैस बा पॉइजनस गैस ताले जदि पॉइजनस गैसटा लीकेज हो गला कौन हम इमीडिएटली विदिन नो टाइम इट विल be mingled in the atmosphere and the whole atmosphere air will be poisonous. So what was the result? Killing over 4,000 local residents. 4,000 local residents of Bhopal. Local residents, people. Resident has come from the original word reside, means live. Reside, residence, this is reside verb, residence noun, resident that is also noun, residential that is adjective. So a original word or root word we can use in different form, different situation. So here the residents, that means living people, the surviving population, the people who were living in Bhopal at that time. So out of them 4,000 people were immediately killed during that accident. And what happened to other people? Living blind and crippling a large section of the city's surviving population. आउ बाकी जो माने रहिले से माने कौन हेले कहीं कहीं ब्लाइंड है गले आउ कहीं कहीं क्रिपलिंग है गले डैमेज्ड है गले कहार आखि खराब है गला तो कहार कान को सुभिला नहीं तो कहार गोड़ छोटा है गला तेणु विभिन्न प्रकार रोग रे से माने पीड़ित हेले आमर तमे हिस्ट्री पढ़िथिबो हिरोशिमा नागासाकी ऊपर जेतेबेले बम पड़िला सेतेबेले मध्य से जगहटा संपूर्ण भाव रे विध्वस्त हो जाइतला सेठी मध्य लोक मानकर अवस्था एमथि हेतला सेठी लक्ष लक्ष लोक मरिथिले एठी हजार लोक मरले. So a blind and crippling large section of the city's surviving population, so living population, not only Bhopal but now every city, every town, every corner of the earth is facing such a crucial problem. Such a dangerous problem is being faced everywhere. 2 वर्ष तले तुम शुणी न्यूज रे पढ़ी भोपाल एक्सीडेंट बेलू तुम जन्म ही नथिबो जानि नथिबो जहाँ पेपर रे पढ़ी बही रे पढ़ी किंतु 2 वर्ष तले महानदी पोल उपर गोटे एक्सीडेंट होता शुणी तो जो गोटे बसटे आसला तालचेर रू गोटे महिषी से शोला अंधारे ताकू सेव करने से जो ब्रेक मारला बसटा गड़ी पड़ा महानदी पानी भीतर को बहुत लोग इंजर्ड होते जदिव कहीं मरी नथिले पछरे कौन मरले कि कौन एत डिटेल्स मुझे जानी ना किंतु सेठी मध्य गोटे सिवियर एक्सीडेंट होता है एमती प्रतिदिन प्रति मुहूर्त आमर विभिन्न प्रकार एक्सीडेंट होउछि तेणु इंडस्ट्रियल एक्सीडेंट कहले यहाँ हूँ मोस्ट ट्राजिक इंडस्ट्रियल एक्सीडेंट टिल नाउ. So everywhere, every nook and corner of the state, nook and corner of our country, nook and corner of the world, this type of unseen situation is taking place every moment. Every day, every moment we breathe polluted air and may become a victim of air pollution. So this polluted air is not seen. We cannot see the polluted air. Can you see air? Here in this room it is filled with air, but we can't see, but we can feel. Similarly, we cannot see the polluted air, but every moment we breathe. Through our respiration, we take the polluted air in. We breathe in and we become a victim of, we become sufferer of air pollution. Though immediately the result we cannot face, but after some days, after some time, after some year, we will also face with the serious problems. So in this paragraph we came to know a accident which took place in Bhopal and what was its result. It will also be a long question carrying 5 marks. What is the most tragic industrial accident and what was its result? So you will read it mindfully and you will remember line by line so that you can answer the comprehensive question as well as long question. So thank you all.